Good morning, students. Let us continue with our chapter number 12, Smart Charts. Next is hot and cold. Have you seen the weather report on TV or in a newspaper? These are two bar charts. These show the highest temperature in degrees Celsius in 4 cities on 2 different days. The cities are Delhi, Shimla, Bengaluru, and Jaisalmer. Now see, these are two bar charts showing information of the highest temperature of 4 cities on 2 different days. Now see, this is the temperature on 1st June and this is the temperature on 1st December. Now we have to answer the following questions given below. Now, which city is the hottest on 1st June? Now see here, this is the information of temperature on 1st June. We have to write the name of the city which is the hottest on 1st June. Now see, Delhi it is 33 degree, Shimla it is 22 degree, Bengaluru it is 28 degree and Jaisalmer is 38 degree. That means which city is the hottest on 1st June? Jaisalmer. Okay, understood? Now our second question. Which city is the coldest on 1st December? Now this is the temperature of 1st December. Now we have to say which is the coldest city on 1st December. यानी सबसे कम temperature किधर है? Now see here, Delhi it is 23 degree, Shimla it is 10 degree, Bengaluru it is 24 degree and Jaisalmer it is 25 degree. That means सबसे कम temperature यानी coldest city is Shimla, that is 10 degree Celsius. Now, which city shows the little change in temperature on the 2 days, that is 1st June and 1st December? Now, we have to compare these two charts and we have to find which city has the little change in temperature. जिसके टेम्परेचर में कम चेंजेस है. नाउ सी 1st June दिल्ली इज 33 डिग्री and on 1st December Delhi is 23 degree. That means a difference of 10 degree. Now see here Shimla. It is 22 degree on 1st June and 10 degree on 1st December. That is a difference of 12 degree. Now Bengaluru is 28 degree on 1st June and 24 degree on 1st December. That means a difference of 28 minus 24 is 4 degree. Now see here Jaisalmer it is 38 degree on 1st June and 25 degree on 1st December. That means a difference of 13 degree both. Now little change. Now we can say that Bengaluru. The city Bengaluru has a little change in the temperature difference. That is 28 degree minus 24 degree. That is 4 degree. Understood? Next is rabbits in Australia. Earlier there were no rabbits in Australia. Rabbits were brought to Australia around the year 1780. At that time, there were no animals in Australia which ate rabbits. So the rabbits began to multiply at a very fast rate. Imagine what they did to the crops. The table shows how rabbits grew every year. Now see, here is a table given how the rabbits grew every year. Now see here, rabbits were brought to Australia around the year 1780. So at the starting time there were 10 rabbits. So after 1 year, that is they became 18. Then after 2 years, 18 say 32. Then after the third year, 32 to 58. Then at the fourth year, 108. Okay. Now we have to answer the following questions given here. After each year, the number of rabbits was. The option is given. We have to find the correct answer. A little less than double the number of rabbits in the last year, double the number in the last year, 8 more than the number in the last year, more than double the number of rabbits in the last year. Now see, at the starting time it was 10. Then at the next year it became 18. That means little less than double. Double is 10 plus 10, 20. Here it is 18. That means little less than double. Now see here, 18 plus 18 is 36. Double is 36. Here it is 32. That means little less than double. So our first answer is a little less than double the number of rabbits in the last year. Now our second question is, at the end of year 6, the number of rabbits was close to 400, 600, 800. Now see, at the fourth year it was 108. Then at the fifth year, double of 108 is 216. Now 216 or less than 216. Then at the sixth year, here if it is 200, near about 200, 210. Then next year it will be 400 or near about 400. So at the end of the sixth year, the number of rabbits was close to 400. Now our third question is, after which year did the number of rabbits cross 1000? Now see, at the sixth year it is 400. Then at the seventh year, double of 400 is 800 or near about 800. Then at the eighth year, double of 800 is more than 1000 and near about 1600 or little less than 1600. So at the eighth year, that means 1780 plus 8, that is 1788. The number of rabbits cross 1000. Understood? Is family tree. Now see, you can see here, this is Madhav. The family tree of Madhav is given here. Now see, this is Madhav. This is his father and mother. Then the third generation, Madhav is first generation. His father and mother is the second generation. Then his mother's father and mother. That means उसके नाना और नानी, वो है third generation. Then the fourth generation is शोभना's father, जो शोभना का पापा है, उनके पापा और मम्मी, और शोभना जो है उनके मम्मी के पापा और मम्मी. That means they are the fourth generation. Then the fifth generation is शोभना के जो दादा है उनके पापा मम्मी, दादी है उनके पापा मम्मी, देन नाना है उनके पापा मम्मी, और नानी है उनके पापा मम्मी. This is the family tree of Madhav. Now we have to answer the question given here. Okay? Our first question is, how many grandparents in all does Shobna have? हमें शोभना के कितने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स मीन्स शोभना के दादा दादी और नाना नानी. नाउ सी, दिस इज शोभना एंड हर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. नाउ सी हियर, दादा दादी नाना nani. That means how many grandparents Shobna have? Our answer is Shobna has 4 grandparents. Understood? Now our second question is, how many great grandparents in all does Madhav have? अब माधव के कितने great grandparents हैं? Let us see. Now see, here it is given great grandparents. माधव के great grandparents. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is Madhav has 8 great grandparents in all. Okay. Now our third question is, how many elders will be in the 7th generation of his family? अब उसके 7th generation में कितने elders बुजुर्ग होंगे? That we have to find. Now see here. So 3rd generation there were 2 elders. Okay. Then the 4th generation there were 4. Double of 2. देखो शोभना के पापा और मम्मी यानी कि शोभना के दादा दादी और शोभना के नाना नानी, दैट मीन्स 4th जनरेशन में कितने हो गए? 4. देन द 5th जनरेशन, ये 4 के डबल यानी इसके दादा के पापा मम्मी, दादी के पापा मम्मी, नाना के पापा मम्मी और नानी के पापा मम्मी, यानी इन द 5th जनरेशन it is 8. Now we have to find the 7th generation. Now 5th generation में 8 है तो 6th generation में इनके डबल हो जाएंगे. देखो दादा के पापा, शोभना के दादा पापा मम्मी, फिर इनकी दादी के पापा मम्मी, यानी ये 8 के डबल, इनके दो सबके दो यानी डबल हो जाएंगे. 8 2s are 16. That is 16 grandparents in 6th generation. And our question is in the 7th generation. That means 16 के फिर डबल, 16 2s are 32. So in the 16 2s are 32. So in the 7th generation there will be 32 elders, okay, in his family. Now our 4th question is, see here, if he takes his family tree forward, in which generation will he find 128 elders? अब हमें फाइंड करना है, यदि ये अपनी फैमिली ट्री को आगे बढ़ाते हैं तो 128 elders कब होंगे? नाउ सी वी हैव फाउंड, हमने फाइंड किया है 7th जनरेशन में 16 2s are 32 elders होंगे. तो 8th जनरेशन में कितना होगा? 32 into 2. 32 क्या? 2 double, that is 64. That is in the 8th generation. And in the 9th generation, that is 64 into 2. That is 128. So in the 9th generation, number of elders will be 128. Understood? Next is growth chart of a plant. Amit sowed a few seeds of moong dal in the ground. The height of the plant grew to 1.4 centimeter in the first 4 days. After that, it started growing faster. Amit measured the height of the plant after every 4 days and put a dot on the chart. For example, if you look at the dot marked on the 4th day, you can see on the left side scale that it is 1.4 centimeter. Now look at the height of each dot in centimeter and check from the table if he has. Now you can see here a growth chart of a plant is given. On the 0 day, the length of the plant in centimeter was 0. On the 4th day, it was 1.4 centimeter. On the 8th day, it was 5.3 centimeter. On the 12th day, it was 9.5 centimeter. On the 16th day, it was 10.2 centimeter. And on the 20th day, it was 10.9 centimeter. Now, this is the growth chart given in your textbook. You can see here on the 0 day, the length of the plant is 0 centimeter, and on the 4th day it was 1.4 centimeter. On the 8th day it was 5.3 centimeter. On the 12th day, it was 9.5 centimeter. On the 16th day, it was 10.2 centimeter, and on the 20th day, it is 10.9 centimeter. Now see here, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay. Now on the x-axis, days are shown, and on the y-axis, length of the plant in centimeter is given. Now we have to see the chart and you have to answer these questions given below. Between which days did the length of the plant change the most? We have to write here between which 2 days the length of the plant change the most. सबसे ज़्यादा कौन से 2 दिन के बीच में उसका length change हुआ है. Now you can see here, on the 0 day it was 0 centimeter, and on the 4th day it was 1.4 centimeter, and on the 8th day it was 5.3 centimeter. So हम 5.3 centimeter से 1.4 को माइनस करते तो 3.9 centimeter उसके लेंथ में चेंजेस हुआ है. Now on the 12th day it was 9.5. So 9.5 minus 5.3. Now the difference of 4.2. That means 8 to 12 के बीच में इसके लेंथ में 4.2 सेंटीमीटर का चेंज हुआ है. Now on the 16th day it was 10.2. So 10.2 में से ये 12th day का 9.5 माइनस करेंगे तो that is 0.7 सेंटीमीटर का ही लेंथ में चेंज हुआ है. और 20th day it was 10.9, and on the 16th day it was 10.2. Then also difference of only 0.7 centimeter. That means the length of the plant changed the most during 8th and 12th day. 8th और 12th day के बीच में प्लांट का जो लेंथ है वो सबसे ज़्यादा चेंज हुआ है. Now our second question is, what could be the length of this plant on the 14th day? आपको guess करके लिखना है. 12th day the length of the plant is 9.5 centimeter. तो 14th day में क्या होगा, कितना हो सकता है? 9 और 10 के बीच में इधर 9.5 है, तो 12th day में 9.5 है, तो 14th day में वो 9.9 something. Okay, so length of the plant on the 14th day is 9.9 centimeter. Okay, इस गस है, हमने गस किया है. Will the plant keep growing all the time? What will be its length on the 100th day? Make a guess. अभी प्लांट हमेशा ही बढ़ते रहेंगे? No. Answer is no. What will be its length on the 100th day? It will be 17 to 18 centimeter. We will continue further in our next class.